Many things come in these days with varying different fittings. Flat pack furniture, your bike, some of the products that come in with fixings, your kids' toys. There's all sorts of different fittings. You can have Torx, you can have AF, you can have Imperial, or you can have Metric. This is a set of hexagon keys from Faithfull, which cover virtually all the most popular sizes you're going to need. All colour coded, so you've got the orange ones as Metric, the green ones as Imperial, and the black ones as Torx. The blades are all chrome vanadium steel, so very, very strong. Won't turn out, because the one thing, there's nothing worse when you're putting something together and the thing's not working, it doesn't fit correctly. These are precision made, they've got soft grip bodies to them, so they're very comfortable. All the products have got a product guide on there, so you can quite easily see the size. Metric goes up to 8mm, the Imperial goes up to 1/4 inch, and then you've got a whole range of the popular Torx fittings. So you would simply select the size that you required. You can either have it straight, so you use it as a screwdriver. You can have it angled if you need to get inside something, a bit of torque. You can actually have it wherever it needs to be. Very flexible, and all the blades, as we said, fold away very neatly. So it's stored easily in your drawer, in your toolbox, in your van. It's a great set, comes as a 3-piece set, so basically pick the set up. You're virtually covered with anything you need. A really useful bit of kit around the home, the workplace, the garden, in your car, boat, whatever. All these things are always useful. You're always going to get a situation where you're going to need a size. Why not have a pack of 3, cover all the sizes you need? 5-year guarantee, a great little range from Faithfull.